Waking up anew, wasting time is all I do.
Today I have brought you the shape transitions template. And you can edit these templates completely, meaning that the speed of the transition, animation, or color, and much more. After the preview is over, I will show you these templates by editing them with Alight motion. And you will find these transitions in the link description of the XML preset file. So let's now how to edit these transitions and how to use them. I'll show that. For example, I will show you this transition by editing it. So first change the color of this, which is quite easy. And if you can also use it as a green screen.